that a TU or an FU? Terman or firm? TU. Good morning, counsel. Your appearance while I look for the file.
Good morning, Your Honor. Trouble we start on behalf of Mr. Turner. Mr. Turner,
Good term.
Got you, Mr. Terman.
we come to the resolution here today. We're about the driving while license it's a 20-person operating no vehicle, and the civil infraction would be reduced to double.
Yeah.
They go over the right, the possibilities, and all the
All right. Same thing as the last one. I'm not going to process the civil infraction. I'm just going to charge you more on the misdemeanor. So instead of processing 2 files, which means just paperwork for her, I'm just going to charge you a little bit more money on the allowing a licensed driver instead of charging you more on a double parking. Understood? I'm getting you in your pocket the same. It's just less work for us. Got it? All right. Did you discuss your rights and options with counsel? Understood those? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge?
Yeah.
Understanding the possible penalty and understanding all your rights and options, are you in fact pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? Counsel, August 30th, right? All right. Yeah. So on that date, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea. Thank you. What's the status of your license now, Mr. Terman?
currently it's revoked.
What's he got to do?
He has to have the hearing again with Secretary of State. Now,
Right.
here's the thing. He's had a couple hearings with Secretary of State
Right.
where he's gotten the restricted license.
Yeah.
Well, one of those hearings, one of those situations, something happened, malfunction with the device, and of course they would have scheduled another hearing
Back to square one.
at square one, but he was going through a divorce.
Yeah.
He didn't get that notice.
Yeah.
He missed it, and they
Yeah.
revoked the license.
Look, I've been doing this a long time, so I'm going to give you some advice. Hire an attorney. Not just any attorney. You got to hire an attorney that does those license restorations because they know the ins and outs. They'll know based on the hearing officer what you got to have to show them when you get there. It's expensive, but how much time have you lost now without your license? Yeah. And that's costing, right? So seriously, talk to a licensed restoration expert. I think you'll be money ahead. You'll be money ahead. All right. So back to business. Are you working?
Well,
Where were you working?
see that.
Okay. All right. How long had you been there? Oh, damn. Anything happening? Anything in the works? Job wise.
Like, he's looking for a new job. He got some lined up.
Oh, he's looking for work. You don't work 13 years if you don't want to work. Yeah. So you're looking for a job. What do you got? Anything in the hopper? All right. Without a driver's license, do you have reliable transportation? You got family member, a friend or something that can get you around?
Spot, right? Yeah, I hear. Yeah, the inventory on price.
Yeah. Damn. Yeah, you can't afford not to have your license. All right. Well, first thing I'm thinking is go downstairs, make sure you talk to Avery Taylor. Mr. Taylor can tell you some companies in this area that are looking for work right now. So it might not be the job you want, but get a job, get some money coming in if you can. All right. Man, sucks because no bus lines. Because while you're off work, I'd like to give you some work days instead of money. Instead of fines and costs, I'll give you more work days, but you got to be here that days. And that means dad's got to get you here at 8 o'clock in the morning for a bunch of days.
You know, if you assess fines and costs, how much would that total be?
Well, if I'm going to hit him extra for the double parking, it's usually $700. Plus I usually order work program or community service, which is all transportation problems. I'll tell you what, how about we do this? Why don't I give you a sentencing date? I won't sentence you today. I'll take your plea. I'll set a sentencing date like sometime in December. Just see if your situation's, because right now your situation's kind of smelly, right? hopefully you're in a better situation in September, we can talk.
Say you cut the work program, how much would it cost?
If I just did defines of cost today, because of your circumstance, how bad things are, and I don't want to kick you when you're down, it'd be $700 and I'll give you some kind of payment plan. You want to just do that and just bite the bullet and do that? All right.
And Judge, he has 180 bond.
All right, well, good. That'll apply. The 180 will apply. You got 180 on the civil infraction, so that'll apply towards the 700. All right. But I know it's money, but man, you gotta find the scratch to hire an attorney to get your license straight. All right. So I'm not gonna say anything here about that bond, just put that in that file. You're gonna say apply to this file?
Yep.
All right, so go downstairs and they'll tell you what your options are as far as payment plans and so on and so forth. And don't forget, talk to Mr. Taylor and see if he's got any job opportunities that sound like they might work for you. Good luck.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Just in the
You're welcome.
last name's Frazier.
Frazier? Miss Frazier, stay where you're at. We're gonna get you a notice for this new date.
Frazier, you can see my name. Absolutely.
This wasn't just a traffic case, it was a reminder that life comes to a halt without a license. The judge made it clear, when the system gets complicated, cheap advice becomes expensive. And if the right decision isn't made today, tomorrow it's not just the case that's delayed, it's your entire life.